For a proper blind tasting, you need a good blindfold. So today, I borrowed this nice leather one from our director of marketing. All right, guys, go ahead and pour. It's definitely a wine. Berry tones. Light in structure, firm acidity, earthy. I guess Pinot Noir. Minerality. I think that's a rosé. That's got to be a rosé. The acidity on that is really nice. Deeper, leathery. No, that's my blindfold. Powerhouse. Chalky tannin. Napa Valley Cab, unmistakably. Bubbles. Very fruity. Like lemon. That's really refreshing. I'm gonna come back to that. That's not wine.
Good. Good go on.
Woo!
Good.
A little hot. But man, that is tasty. Good oak profile. Sweet. I'd say about 40% alcohol. Is that tequila?
Wait, take one more sip just to be sure.